Hello there, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review nTask, which is one amazing and very easy to use project management software. It's an alternative of Asana, ClickUp, and Monday.com. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. Plan 1 pricing is 59 USD, which is their code 1. Here you can have unlimited observers, unlimited workspace, unlimited tasks and to-do list. 5 user you can have, 100 GB storage you can have. But if you need more users and more file storage, then you have to upgrade to code, more codes actually, and you can upgrade up to code 5. And they're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. And now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of nTask and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for us. Guys, this is the dashboard of nTask, and at first you have to create one workspace. Here just click here on this create workspace and then give a name of your workspace. Let's say the workspace name will be Passivern 2. Anything can be depending on your need, and then click here on this create workspace. And whenever you will create this workspace, then it will ask you to create your team. Let's say I will enter to this workspace. Here you have to create your team. As you can see, I have created here one team X, but you can create another name actually. Now if I go to this workspace dashboard, from here you will get all your workspace. Now let's say I will work with this workspace whose name is workspace XX. If I enter to this workspace, here you can create different tasks, you can create different project, boards, meeting, time sheet, issues and risk. As you can see, it has redirected us to the task section, and here we can set up task step by step. Let's say we want to add one new task. Just click here on this add new task and then here enter your task. Let's say the task title will be maybe what can be the task? Let's say doing or let's say sending email to the MD. And see, this task has been created here, and here there have more details. So you can select a specific project for this task. Let's say project Y that I have created previously. You can select the start date, you can select the priority. Let's say the priority will be high, and actual start date, let's say 6, and actual planned end date, let's say 13, and actual end date, let's say 11. And in this way you can here change the date, the priority. You can insert here some description, and you can here select the progress rate. In the progress section I cannot change it right now. Let's say in the to-do list section, let's say at first plan 1, and then let's say plan 2. That means these are the subtasks. You can add the subtask also in this way. You can add the ending date of the subtask also here. Let's say I will let's say these are my subtasks, and here you can assign this subtask to your team member also. And if it is done, just click here and see, in this way it will actually show the progress to you. Hope you get idea. And in this way the task will be created. But if you want to create your task from this add new section, you can create it also. Just click here on this add new and click here on this task, and here select or write the title. Let's say task 5, or here, and here assign your team member and select a project. You can create the project from here, that I will show you after some time. And in the show more section you can select the status. Let's say it's in review, and actual start date, let's say 4, and details you can write here some description actually. And they have all types of formatting things that you need to write a complete details actually. And then click here on this create task. This task will be created. As you can see here, the task has been created. And if any task is done, then just click here and then it will be done. See, task selected and it's done actually. Hope you get idea. Here you can share this task link to others also. You can change the color of this task. Let's say this will be the color. As you can see, the color has been changed. And then you can copy this task. You can move this task to another project. You can archive it and you can delete it also. Hope you get idea. In this way it will work actually. And then another thing that I want to show you is the collaboration feature. If you click on any task, let's say I will click on this task. See, there have one option for comment. Let's say very good work. This is one comment, let's say, and your team member can comment here or reply here also. And let's say I'll reply here, do more please. And see, this is another reply. And what you can do, you can convert it to a another task, and you can edit this reply, you can delete this reply. And let's say one of your team member has sent you one reply or one comment or one message. Now you do not want to reply right now, so what you can do, you can assign it for later reply. Actually, let's say I will send here one message, hello there. Let's say this is my message. Now here, if I just select this button, reply later, then it will be saved on this reply later section. As you can see, if I go to this reply later, all your reply later messages you can see here, and when your time will come, you can reply them. Hope you get idea. This is one amazing feature that I haven't seen in other project management software. And there have timer feature. You can start the timing. Let's say here the timing will here, let's say you have worked for 6 hours and 3 minutes, and save it. And here, as you can see here, the timer has been started. So in this way, the timer of a specific task will be started also. And then you can assign it to your new team member also if you want. And then they have document. If you have any important document for this project, you can share this document. You can browse your files and you can upload them here. Actually, let's say these are the files, and then upload the files. It can be image, videos, it can be documents, it can be PDF, anything. And then meeting, you can have meeting for a specific task also. Just click here on this plus icon and add a meeting. Let's say meeting for sending email task to MD, and then the date will be, let's say, this date. And start time you can change, duration let's say 2 hours and maybe 5 minutes. And you can select the location. Let's say the location will be Boston. And then agenda, you can insert some agenda here, and then click here on this create meeting. The meeting will be created for this task also, and you will see this meeting in the meeting section that I will explore after some time. And then you can create different issue, different risk for this task also. And you can create this issue and task from here also, that I can show you, but I can show you here in this section. But because task is our main thing that we deal in project management software, let's say inside this task you have some issue, so you can create issue. Just click on this plus icon, and then issue one, let's say, and the issue name will be issue for spam folder. Anything can be depending on your need. And this is the assigned person, let's say. And issue type, let's say issue type will be improvement. And in the show more section, the priority you can select, the start date, end date you can select. Let's say issue is open, you can make it closed also. Let's say the here this is the start date and end date. And in the detail section you can write something if you want. Hope you get idea. And then click on this create issue. The issue will be created, and all your team members will be able to see this issue whenever they will come to this task, and they can work depending on this issue actually. And then the last option is this risk. Here you can create different risk. Let's say you have some risk on this task. Let's say if you do not complete this task completely or properly, then maybe some thing will be lost from your company, or some bad thing will happen. So you can insert here this risk here. Let's say I'll insert here. Let's say the risk will be risk for planning to MD. And here the risk owner will be this owner, let's say. And here, and let's say the risk percentage is 26 to 50%. Impact will be, let's say, major. And in the detail section you can write if we cannot approve this project, then we will not go to the next step. So here you can write the detail actually, and then create the risk, and then this risk will be created. Hope you get idea. And see, it is in review, but if you want to change it, you can change it. So in this way the risk will be created, and you can manage all your tasks, and you and your team members can collaborate with each other. And if I go to this project section, here you will be able to see all your project. As you can see here, one project I have created previously. Let's say I'll create another project. Just click here add new, and then click here on this project, and then give a name of this project. Let's say the project will be project and here it is, let's say, in progress. And project description, let's say the project description will be here. This is the project description, and click here on this create project. The project will be created. Now how this project can be helpful for you: you can create a complete project and you can share it to anyone you want. And see, they have a step-by-step customization field. As you can see here, these are the checklist. Let's say list 1 or list 2, and then here let's say list 1 and then list 3. So in this way you can here create different check mark, and then they have a lot of other field. If you just click on this add or edit field, see there have text field, text area, multi-line field, drop down field, checklist field, email field, date field, phone number field, files and media, people and person, website URL field, number field, money field, rating field, section field, formula field, location field, country field. Let's say I want to add maybe the what I want to add the phone number, let's say. So just click here phone and give a name of this phone field. Let's say the field name will be phone, and field type phone definitely, and you can select your country. Let's say the country is this country, and then here just click here on this create field, and then this field will be created. See, this field has been added here. Now you can here write the phone number. Let's say this is the phone number. So in this way it will add. And then if I want to add some more field, let's say I want to add maybe website URL, and then here field name, let's say website address, and then here click here on this create field. This field will be created here also. As you can see here, website address field has been created, and now you can insert here the website URL. Hope you get idea. In this way you can insert here as many as field you need to create this complete project. And then they have resource section. Here you can see what are the asset for this project, who are the team member for this project. You can see if any task is available for this project. As I have just created this project right now, that's why no task is available. But if I go to this one, let's say project Y, there have task. I have assigned some task for this project. As you can see here, these are the 2 tasks. Hope you get idea. You can create different milestone. You can have the financial summary and work calendar for this project. So in this way you can work project by project. So that means you can create one workspace, and under one workspace you can have different project, and in every project you can have different tasks, and in every task you can have different meetings, you can have different issue and risk. As you can see, I have created this meeting, and to create meeting, just click on this add new and click here on this meeting, and here set up your meeting that I have explored previously. And all your meetings list you can see here. You will get the email notification before starting your meeting also every time. And see here, these are the meetings, and you can insert here meeting agenda. You can add here the discussion note. You can have the follow-up actions, and you can add the key decisions of this meeting also from here. You can publish it right now. You can submit for review it also. Hope you get idea, guys. Here see, it's published, and whenever it will be published, then all your team members will get the notification so that they can also join here. And then the last thing that I will show you is this timesheet. Here you can track your project project time actually. That means for how much time you have worked for which task. Let's say here we have another task, sending email to MD. Let's say for this task we work on Wednesday maybe for 2 hours and let's say 13 minutes. So in this way you can track your timing, how much time you worked for which project. Hope you get idea, guys, how this nTask will work and how it will be helpful for us, how you can manage your project, your task, and your meetings by using this nTask software. So if you think, guys, you need this type of project management software, which can be a great alternative of ClickUp, Asana, Monday.com, Trello, also maybe other project management software, then you can get this nTask lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this nTask lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this nTask lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional money. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.